This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's base cabinet. Before you begin, ensure you have all the pieces shown here. Start with one of the base's sides on your workstation, positioned with the pre-marked and pre-drilled holes face up, the slot closest to you, and the notched corner to the upper left. Position the drawer glide track on the side and secure with the drill and pre-packaged screws. Insert shelf pegs into the available holes and tap into place with hammer, then set this piece aside. Place the base's other side on your workstation, holes face up, slots closest to you, and the notched corner to the upper right. Repeat the process to secure the drawer glide track and shelf pegs, then set this piece aside as well. Next, position the drawer face down on your workstation, the pre-drilled hinge holes closest to you. Align the hinges over their holes, then place 2 adhesive door pads, one in each far corner of the door. Secure the hinges to the door with a drill and pre-packaged screws, then set aside. Now take the drawer face and position it face side down on your workstation with the slotted edge closest to you. Retrieve the drawer sides and position them so the slotted edges face in, and attach these pieces to the face with the dovetail joints so they stand straight up. Now use the side slots to slide the drawer bottom in place. Then fit the drawer backing so the slotted edge rests on the bottom and the dovetail joints connect with the sides. Secure where all the drawer pieces meet with a nail gun. Set the drawer down on your workstation so the bottom faces up and position the undermount drawer glides behind the drawer face. Secure these in place with the drill and pre-packaged screws. Flip the drawer back up so its face is once again down on your workstation, then place an adhesive door pad on each of the drawer face corners. Now set the drawer aside. Retrieve the base side, whose notched corner sits in the upper right, and place it on your workstation. Take the base bottom and fix it to the far right end of the side with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes, then gently tap into place with a rubber mallet. Next, slide the base backing into the side slot and push it flush with the bottom, then secure where the bottom and backing meet with a nail gun. Place a corner bracket in the upper corner where the tops of the backing and the side meet, then secure in place with a drill and pre-packaged screws. Now turn the assembled pieces so the bottom is closest to you, and attach the bridge beams to the side with their pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. These will sit on either side of the drawer glide track. Gently tap these into place with the rubber mallet. Now retrieve the base's other side and fit it on top of the structure with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. Use a nail gun to secure where this side meets the base's bottom, backing, and bridge beams. Next, flip the unit so the opposite side lies on your workstation. Use a rubber mallet to ensure this side sits flush to the unit, and then repeat the process to secure where this side meets the bottom, backing, and bridge beams. Place the other corner bracket opposite the previously placed one to join the top of the backing inside, then secure in place with a drill and pre-packaged screws. Stand the unit upright and slide the drawer into place. Then, reposition the structure to lie on its side again so the bottom is on your left, and position the door in front of the structure, aligned with the side that is flat on your workstation. Set the hinges flush with the side, ensure there is a distance about the width of a credit card between the two pieces, then secure the hinges to the side with a drill and drywall screws. Check that the door is properly aligned and closes flush with the unit, then stand it upright again. To finish, angle the internal shelf into the unit to rest on the shelf pegs. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry base cabinet is ready to install.